Hello, my creative friends. Welcome to my video today. Once in a while, we all get the creative blahs, you know what I mean? Where we're just not feeling it, maybe feeling a little low, don't really know where to start. It's these kind of days where an easy path to creativity is really the ticket, and coloring is a go-to for me. Without any pressure to perform or expectations, it reconnects me to my creative zone and it always lifts me up. So today I pulled out my Faber Castell Gelatos and Marabu Art Crayons, and I'm coloring in a page of my Self-Reliance coloring book. Everything is linked in the description. I love using these smudgy pastels because they're quite saturated and have a good amount of transparency too, especially when you shear them out with your fingers. They're water soluble, so I'm using a water brush to help move around the pastel while I tackle the border first with a gold pastel. Then when I started adding the color to the bottles, I love how these pastels layer and mix together like a glazing effect. The base gold that I laid down first mixes with every color I put over it in varying degrees. I like how there's no point on the pastel, so I have to be freer in my application, and it's a great exercise in embracing whatever happens and simply working with it. At the end, I grabbed a Posca white paint pen. It flows really nicely over top of these pastels. Opacity of these pens really depends on what they're being used over, type of paper. There are so many variables, but today they're looking pretty opaque. If you'd like a real-time video of this method, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to do it. I just want to gauge interest before I do. So once I pulled out this coloring book and I flipped through it, I realized that I only have 6 pages left to go of this whole coloring book. So if you'd like to see videos of my progress completing this book, please let me know. I'd be happy to do it too. And voila, I love how this came out, and I hope you do too. Please like and subscribe for more art process and creativity videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day and take care. Bye-bye.